Hello and welcome to Health 2 IQ. Today, we're going to discuss the top 20 health benefits of blueberries. Blueberries are a popular fruit that's not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. Here are the top 20 health benefits of blueberries that make them one of the healthiest fruits on the planet. Number 1. Antioxidants. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory. Blueberries have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in your body. Number 3. Brain health. Blueberries contain compounds that can improve brain function and delay age-related cognitive decline. Number 4. Heart health. Blueberries may reduce the risk of heart disease by improving cholesterol levels and reducing blood pressure. Number 5. Blood sugar control. Blueberries may help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great food for people with diabetes. Number 6. Digestive health. Blueberries are a good source of fiber that can improve digestive health and prevent constipation. Number 7. Immune system. Blueberries contain vitamins and minerals that can boost your immune system and reduce the risk of infections. Number 8. Vision health. Blueberries contain compounds that can improve vision and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Number 9. Bone health. Blueberries contain nutrients that can improve bone health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Number 10. Cancer prevention. Blueberries have been shown to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including colon and breast cancer. Number 11. Skin health. Blueberries contain compounds that can improve skin health and prevent premature aging. Number 12. Weight management. Blueberries are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great food for weight management. Number 13. Dental health. Blueberries contain compounds that can prevent the growth of harmful bacteria in your mouth, reducing the risk of dental cavities and gum disease. Number 14. Anti-aging. Blueberries contain compounds that can slow down the aging process and improve overall health and longevity. Number 15. Muscle recovery. Blueberries contain nutrients that can improve muscle recovery and reduce muscle soreness after exercise. Number 16. Antidepressant. Blueberries may have antidepressant effects and improve mood. Number 17. Energy boost. Blueberries contain nutrients that can boost energy levels and reduce fatigue. Number 18. Pregnancy health. Blueberries contain nutrients that are important for a healthy pregnancy, including folate and vitamin C. Number 19. Allergy relief. Blueberries may have anti-allergic properties and reduce allergy symptoms. Number 20. Last on our list, number 20, is kidney health. Blueberries contain compounds that can improve kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney disease. By adding blueberries to your diet, you can enjoy these amazing health benefits and improve your overall health. Try adding blueberries to your oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack on their own. Eat more blueberries. Remember to always eat a balanced diet and talk to your doctor before making any major changes to your diet. Eat more blueberries and enjoy the amazing health benefits they have to offer. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.